So, and then, most important, everybody want a happy life. Nobody want a problem. So same. And all have same right to achieve happy life. So then, thinking or awareness, these things, then this is someone who on superficial, you feel little irritation, but deeper level, same human being, same right. So then, develop sense of respect, sense of concern of their well-being.
We have so many questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
So then I think one important thing is when we develop some anger with someone, the anger actually, need some kind of or target. So the person, create some problem for you, then we look only that angle, then, this person really creates a lot of problem for me, so I consider this my enemy. Then you see anger come. So at that moment, or I think that basically that person, if you ask, your enemy, today's enemy, from birth, whether you're enemy or not, no. And become your enemy, troublemaker, without any causes or factor, no. It's the person who creates a little bit negative attitude towards you. There are many causes. And in that part of cause, you also made some contribution. So you cannot blame entirely on that person. You also, among the among the factor which creates that person who shows negative attitude towards you. For example, or small things happen. You immediately, express negative. Then that negativeness feeling keep in your mind, day and weeks, months, years. Then you get the impression that negativeness increasing. So something happened, that short moment, some angry face, harsh word. The next day, finished. Then no problem. So these things, and my friend, one scientist, Aaron Beck, now his age 97 or 98. So once he told me, when we develop anger, the object appears something very negative. But actually, that negativeness, actually 90% of that negativeness is your own mental projection. So therefore, I think we can examine our own experience. Due to certain factor, you lost your anger with someone. Then, that moment, you feel, 가서다, 통일만 되었다. 미팅에 나오냐 떡이면 써버리지.
You feel disgusted with the person, the thing that you don't want to see him or her anymore.
Then the intensity of anger really reduce. Then someone telling you or that person some nice word about you. Immediately, when you heard that, your sort of mental attitude completely changed. If this negativeness is something absolute, then the factor which you feel angry is remain. But due to certain sort of factor, you change that. So therefore, the most of the destructive emotion is actually very much mixed with mental exaggeration. So we have this wonderful brain. So we should utilize this wonderful brain, analyze and look from wider perspective. And poor animal, they have no such ability. So they cannot think holistic way or analyze the situation. We have this wonderful brain.